everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Look Fantastic November beauty subscription box to share with you. If you don't know anything about Look Fantastic, then carry on watching. But as always, if you know everything there is to know about it and you're just interested in seeing what's inside this box or hearing my opinions, if you already know, I did post up a little 1-minute teaser spoiler video a few days ago, so you might have watched that. But yeah. Anyway, you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty box that ships worldwide. It costs £15 a box, and inside you receive 6 beauty products ranging from hair care, skincare, makeup, body care, nails, anything beauty related. And sometimes we get an added freebie in there as well. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. The little spoiler video I posted up, that was actually of my own paid for subscription. Instead of paying £15 a month, I pay £13 a month, and I take out a 12-month subscription. So with that box, I'll be putting that up for a giveaway on my Instagram page, which is Diaryofabeautygeek. If you're not already following me there, then you will find details down in my description, plus links to this subscription and any discount codes I can find. Last month they had a fab discount code which will entitle you to receive your first box for £5. I'm not sure if there's a similar one available for this month, but I will have a look, and whatever I can find, I'll pop it down below in my description. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to showing you what's inside the November box. So inside we get a card. It used to be a booklet. They are slimlining their packaging, which is really great, but we've got a QR code now, so I'll just scan that, see what comes up, so I'm able to tell you sneak peeks and any other limited edition boxes they might be releasing soon. See? You see there? I'll refer to this as we go along. Trying to get to the end page. We want to know what December's box is coming. Oh, it's got here. They're bringing out a Black Friday box. Look Fantastic do amazing limited edition boxes. They have got a few on their website at the moment, but they've mentioned here they're bringing out a Black Friday box. Oh no, that's it. We haven't got a sneak peek for December, unfortunately. So I'll refer to this as we go along. I'll just give you a sneak peek first. First up, we've got a Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel. This is 100ml, it's worth £10. And we've got Relaxing Ylang Ylang. I love these. I absolutely love them. They smell amazing. It's just gorgeous. Yeah, really, really lovely. With this product, there's variations. You'll either receive this Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel, or you'll receive a NCLA Birthday Cake Scent Cuticle Oil, or you'll receive a Grow Gorgeous Serum. Hasn't got sizes or anything like that, but you'll either receive one of those 3. If you receive this Molten Brown product, it says refresh your wash routine with a luxurious ylang ylang and sweet vanilla scented body wash from Molten Brown. This wash clears away impurities and nourishes the skin. So there's that. Next up, we've got a product by Balance Me. This is a BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. We've got 30ml here. It says, this fast-acting, leave-on chemical formula is ideal for reducing the appearance of blemishes and leaving your skin smoother and more youthful looking. It contains peppermint oil and mineral oil. After several pumps to a beauty pad to a clean skin, gently wipe over a dry face, avoiding the delicate eye area. And you're to use this after cleansing. So there's that. Next we got something for your feet. This is a foot mask by Le Mini Macaron, and it's made with lavender oils, and there's 2 little booty socks inside. This brand is lovely. I bought my daughter some gel nail polishes, and we've got a little lamp that goes with it as well. I actually did buy it for myself, but I'm not very good with doing my own nails, and she is fab. She is great, so I've given it to her. It says, enjoy a little self-care at home with this moisturising foot mask, lavender scented and enriched with different leaf extracts. Your dry feet will feel relaxed, refreshed and deeply hydrated. Online it just goes on to tell you what I've just read, and it says to use. Insert clean feet into the foot masks, leave them for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the serum to deeply nourish and cleanse your skin. Remove and massage remaining essence into your skin. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Pry. This is Ageless Throat and Decolletage Cream, and there's 10ml there. Designed to target anti-aging. What am I doing? holding it up right high. I noticed that when I'm editing back my videos, I can be very sort of theatrical with my arms. Have you noticed? Oh, apologies, I don't know why I'm doing that. Obviously you see it, but I don't know. Anyway, designed to target anti-aging, this formula is enriched with a blend of mulberry and grapeseed extracts. This mixture helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, contains shea butter and grapeseed oil. So we got a neck cream. Next up, we've got a Comfort Zone Reunite Cream, Nourishing Vitamin Cream, and there's 30 mils here. Working to soothe and hydrate your complexion while you sleep, this cream replenishes your skin's moisture, leaving it feeling refreshed and more plump. It contains goji berry oil, hydrolysized tomato extract. Apply in the evening after face cleansing on the face, neck and neckline, and massage until completely absorbed. It's got a night cream. And then lastly, I completely forgot about this in my little spoiler video. It's a little short video, so it was only 1 minute, but it slid down the side of my box and was hiding in the worms, the paper worms, and I didn't notice it. So I did put a pinned up post to say, no, we actually do get 6 products. It's just I missed it because it's so small. It's a Diego de la Palma black eyeliner pencil. Oh, what am I doing? I can't see. No, it's not black, it's brown. It is brown. Can I start again? I completely and utterly just told you a load of bollocks. Basically, it's a brown eyebrow pencil. It's not a black eyeliner, it's an eyebrow pencil. And it does actually say water resistant eyebrow pencil. Easily enhance your arches with the Tools extra fine tip that gives you both precision and natural coverage when filling, defining and shaping. The creamy formula boasts an incredible blendable finish. So those are all the products inside this month's Look Fantastic Beauty Box. I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll be back. We've got a mini macaron moisturising foot mask. We've got a Ylang Ylang bath and shower gel by Molten Brown, but you might not receive this, you might receive one of the other 2 products. We've got a Comfort Zone Reunite Cream. We've got a Pry Throat and Decolletage Cream. We've got a Balance Me BHA Exfoliant Concentrate. And lastly, a Diego de la Palma, a brown eyebrow pencil. The cost of the box is £15, and I'm not sure the value because they stopped putting the prices in their booklets quite a long time ago. But they say the minimum value on all of their boxes is £50, so it's definitely £50 or over. My thoughts this month are a bit mixed. There's some exciting products there like the foot mask, and I always love the Molten Brown shower gels. I absolutely adore them. I've got a bit of a collection going, but I'm saving them because we are changing our bathroom over. I want to put them up on a nice shelf so I can see them all. So I am collecting them at the moment and not using them. The Comfort Zone cream, I haven't tried that before, so that's something new for me. The Balance Me BHA Concentrate, I'm not sure if I'm going to be using that. I've just started back on my Skin and Me subscription where I have tretinoin cream that I apply at night, so I've got to be really wary. I haven't been on it for the last couple of months, so there might be some irritation there if I use any acids afterwards. I did get to a place a couple of months ago that my skin was fine, but I'm starting from scratch again essentially, so I'm not sure if I will use that. The last 2 items I'm not too sure about, and that's why I'm a little bit with this month's box. The Pride cream, nothing wrong with it at all, it's just that we've received it quite a few times in beauty boxes now, and I do have a lot of them so I'm gonna have to give some away because there's no point in keeping them all. I don't know if it works because I am useless at applying specific creams for the neck area. Like I've mentioned in previous videos, when I do my skincare I just blend it all down. Using a cream just for this area, I'm not very good at grabbing. I'm just not used to doing it. And the Diego de la Palma, my brows are microbladed now, so for me personally, I'm not sure if I would use it or not. I'll have a go because I do find that these outer corners are looking a little bit grey, which I don't like. So I do need to start like maybe filling them in just a little bit with some strokes in there just to make it look a bit more natural. But yeah, it would have been nice if we had a bigger one because as I said with my little spoiler video, completely lost it. But yeah, so not a wow box this month, but I am really excited for the foot mask. I love that brand. I'd love to hear your thoughts though. I can go on and on and on and on and on, but I don't want to bore you. So please let me know what you think of this box. Have you received yours yet? And yeah, if you are watching this for the first time wondering if this is a subscription for you or not, I'd love to hear what you think of it. So please comment down below and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.